Today we are going to learn how to cut out hairs in Photoshop with the help of the hidden technique that most of the people don't know about. So let's get started. Removing hair background is very important and very crucial. Most of the people takes a lot of time to remove and get troubled by the idea how to remove the background completely. I'm going to choose these hairs. These are actually coily hairs and it's very difficult to remove the background of this one. In the newer version of Photoshop, there is this new feature where you can select the subject automatically. Let's use it. Go to select subject. It already made a selection out of this image. Now add a layer mask. Now the hair's background is already removed. Let's add a solid color of white to see the results on white base. It's looking good, but what would happen if we change the background color to black? Now look at this, what an amazing results we have. I mean, what kind of result is this? The result didn't look good on any color we choose. Only the light colors are looking acceptable. Now we will remove the background completely with a hidden technique. Create a duplicate copy of layer 0. Hide the bottom layer. We actually want to merge the mask with the image. Press Ctrl or Command G to create a group and then press Ctrl or Command E to merge it. If you know any other technique to do this, let me know in the comment section. Double click on this layer and open the blending options. Now decrease the whites of this image by moving the arrow on the left and only focus on the hairs, don't see the face, otherwise you will get scared. You can see the transition is so hard. We want a soft transition for this. While holding Alt, move the arrow to left. It will split the arrow in two. Adjust both arrows until you get a good result. This is the hidden technique. I think this is good. Click OK. You can see the difference now. We almost removed the background. The work is 70% done. Now select the layer 0 mask to hide the unwanted area of the hairs. And don't use white, otherwise it will destroy your previous selection. Choose the color black and paint over the outer portion of the hairs. Now the white is getting removed because the upper layer is taking cover for the bottom one. And don't go too deep, brush only on the outer portion. Change the background to something dark blue. The hair outside are looking too bright, so let's make it dark. While holding Ctrl or Command, select both layers and press Ctrl or Command G to make a group. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the group. Hide the bottom group. Now add an adjustment layer of curves right above the visible group and adjust the curve to get a darker version of the hairs. Now while holding Alt, click in between the curves and the group. It will be clipped with the group and the curve will only affect the group. Now add a layer mask on group to copy. Select the mask and press Alt backspace to fill black color inside the mask, which will make our layer invisible. Now take the brush tool, set the color white and paint over the outer portion of the hairs. It will make the hair more darker. While holding Ctrl or Command, select both groups and the adjustment layer of curves as well. Press Ctrl or Command G to make a group. Now duplicate the group. Press Ctrl or Command E to merge the group. Now we have our result on a single layer. Hide the bottom group. When we change the background color to black or white or even blue color, it's not looking too odd. So far 90% we have completely removed the background, but for the remaining 10% you can add a highlight in the middle. Now the image really match with the background and most of the time we don't use black base. If you learned something new, hit the subscribe button. Tell me your views in the comment section. How was the tutorial? My name is Shubham. Thank you so much for watching Graphic Arena. Let's meet on another great tutorial. For the time being, goodbye.